When running a yoga teacher training, it is crucial for your students to understand the basics of human anatomy. An understanding of anatomy sets the foundation for the safety and alignment of the yoga postures, the instructions and cues offered in a class, and posture modifications that need to be made based on the most common health conditions. I'm Sherina Nobes, the founder of Yoga Wellness Anatomy. Here at Yoga Wellness Anatomy, we offer a comprehensive anatomy curriculum for your YTT. This curriculum includes both lecture-style learning and experiential-style learning. During the course, your students will learn about important bony structures in the body, the primary muscles of yoga and their actions, and how to plan the structure of yoga classes based on anatomical knowledge. We believe that the key to a safe, therapeutic, and creative yoga class is understanding how the body works in movement activities. Taking traditional yoga postures and adding anatomical knowledge can truly set your YTT students apart in the yoga world. The training is offered either in person or online, with a total of 20 hours of training. At the end, your YTT students will feel confident and prepared to teach a safe and effective yoga class, adding to your credibility as a yoga school. So what are you waiting for? Join myself and Yoga Wellness Anatomy for this embodied anatomical experience that you and your YTT students won't soon forget.